Now we are going to see circles. Okay, it is also a shape. Okay, first naming the part of the circle. First we must know the parts of the circle. Before that we must know what is a circle. Circle is a simple closed curve. Simple closed curve. Circle is a simple closed curve. And now we are going to see the parts of a circle. The first one is, what is this? A circle is a simple closed curve. Circle is a simple closed curve. So it is a simple closed curve. Circle, otherwise we can call it as a simple closed curve. And the length of the circle is called as circumference. So length of the circle. So this is the length of the circle. So length of the circle is called as a, what is this? Length of the circle is called as a circumference. And the line across the circle at the center, diameter of the circle. It means, the length of the circle is called a circumference. The length of the circle is called as a circumference. The line across the circle, this is the across the circle, it is called as diameter. That means, that is O is the center of the circle and AB, it is this line, what? This line I draw across the circle. So A, this point is called as A and another point is called as B. So AB is a what? AB is a diameter and O is the center of the circle, and after that I start with O2. I start with one more line. It is called as OP. It is what? Radius. So this is the radius and this is also radius and this is also radius. If you want to write it, so again if I want to draw one more, that is called as Q, means it is OQ, it is also a radii, and OP it is a radii, and this is what? OA it is a radii, and what is this? OB it is a radii. Radii means, radius means only one side and radii means a lot of radius. It is called as radii. So there are 4 radius. That is called as how many? 1, that is OA and OB and OP and OQ. So this is there are 2 diameters. AB is the diameter and what is the other is, what is this? That means PQ as another diameter. So O is the center of the, what is PQ? It is a diameter. PQ is also a diameter, and what is this? PQ is also a diameter. Then O is the center of the circle and AB is the diameter and PQ is the diameter, and this part, it is a what? OA or OA. What is OA or AO? Both are correct. So I can call it as O because O is the center of the circle. OA it is a radii, and OB it is a radii, and OP it is OP it is a radii, and OQ it is a radii. So all are radii because radius means only one, but radii means many radius is called as radii. And otherwise, the next one is the length of the circle is called as circumference. Length of the circle. That means circumference. What is this? What is the circumference? This is around the circle. That is called as the length of the circle is called as a circumference. And the line across the circle at the center of the diameter. This is the line across the line across the center of the line across the circle at the center. The line across the circle at the center, it is called as a what? Diameter of the circle. And half of this is a diameter. AB is a diameter. If I cut into this, what? If I cut means, if I cut this part is a radius, this is another radius. So this is 2 centimeters. AB is equal to 4 centimeter means, and what is this? So center point is O. So that OA, that is AO or OA, it is what is 2 centimeter, and OB, BO or OB, it is a what? 2 centimeter. This is a what? Another radius. So half of the diameter, it is a diameter is a what? What is the diameter is across the line at the center of the circle. That is what I written, the line across the circle. The line across the center of the circle, it is called as a diameter. The line across the center of the circle, it is called as a diameter, and half of the diameter. So this is the diameter. Then we cut into half, that is called as half of the diameter is called as radius, and diameters and radius meet the center of the point, and diameter, this is the entire diameter and this is also a diameter, it meets, and this is a radii, it is also radii and it is also radii, it is also, it meets the center of the point. This is called as what? Center of the circle. So these are the parts of the circle. Okay, circle, what is a circle? Circle is a simple closed curve, and after that we are going to see some parts of the circle. First one is what is circumference of the circle. Circumference is nothing but length of the circle. That is what I have written. The length of the circle is called as circumference. That means this is called as a circumference. And the next one is the line across a circle. This is the line across a circle. It is called as a diameter. And half of the diameter. If we cut the diameter into half, it is called as what? Half of the diameter is called as radius. And diameter and radius meet the center of the circle. So this is the radii and this is full as a, this is completely called as diameter. This part is a radii and this part is a radii and this also radii and this also. So we can call it as a single, means single, that means the single side only we can consider as a radius. That is called as diameter and radius meet at the center. So radius and the diameter meet at the center. It is called the center of the circle. So O is the center of the circle and AB is a diameter, and what is this? PQ or QP is another diameter, and OA and OB and OP and what OQ is all are PQ. OA and OB and what is this? OP and OQ. I didn't write, so OQ also we added. OQ, it is also, this is called as radii. This is called as radii. So AB is the diameter, O is the center of the circle, and other thing, what is this? That is OQ, then OP, it is OQ, OP, OA and OB. These are called as radii. That's all. This is the part of the circle. Now we are going to move on the sums.